Some entrepreneurs starting out make the mistake of waiting until the moment they launch to start telling anyone about their new endeavor. And if you do that, you're launching to crickets, and that's not what I want for you. So let's have a look at how you can grow your audience while you're building your business so that when you launch, you can start making sales from the get-go. Hi, I'm Alli, and I help emerging entrepreneurs like you level up your business online with a branded website that makes a connection with your dream clients. And wouldn't it be amazing to start making that connection while you're building your business, even before your doors are officially open? Well, good news, it's absolutely possible when you implement a pre-launch strategy. Having a pre-launch strategy gives you the opportunity to start creating an audience and warming them up by promoting your new services or products before you officially launch. But if you're going to start promoting your business on social media, by word of mouth, by showing up as a guest on other people's platforms like their podcast or maybe their video shows, then you're going to need somewhere to send your potential clients. This is where a pre-launch landing page comes into play. So what is a landing page? Well, unlike your homepage of your website that has a lot of links and possible distractions, a landing page is just asking the viewer to do one single thing. There's not even a header or a footer on the page. The goal is to get your audience to take the one single action that you've determined to be the goal for that page. So often you see landing pages for freebies or lead magnets where the goal is to get the user to subscribe to your email list. So what's the goal of a pre-launch landing page then? A great way to start communicating and building trust and growing a relationship with your audience is to start by creating an email list so that you can correspond with them. So a great idea for your pre-launch landing page is to set it up to get them to subscribe to your email list. This way, you're starting to build your email list from the very beginning, even before your business launches, so that when it does, you have an audience to promote your new offering to. So what goes on a pre-launch landing page then? Your landing page can be really simple. In fact, it's better if you don't overcomplicate it. So you'll want to be sure to include your business name, a headline, maybe something like coming soon or launching soon. You could think about having a countdown timer until launch day. But the most important thing you want to have is an opt-in form to join your email list. Now, once upon a time, people would just sign up for your email list, but sadly, those days are gone. Nobody just wants more email in their inbox, right? So if you have a lead magnet set up to give away in exchange for someone's email address already, you could promote that here. If not, then no worries. You could come up with a launch promo to give away in exchange for their email address. This could be in the form of a special discount or bonus, limited samples, or maybe a preview of your product or services that they'll get when they sign up for your email list. So on your landing page, you'll want to add in a line of text to help persuade your viewer to sign up for your list. It could be a simple line like, "Be the first to know when we launch our business and receive our launch bonus." And then make sure to follow that up with your subscription form that has a simple and clear call to action like, "Yes, sign me up." Once you have your email list going, you need to use it. So now is the time to start nurturing your audience by sending weekly emails, letting them know where you're at in your launch process, reminding them of the benefits of your services and products, and making sure to remind them of that bonus that's coming their way. Then once you go to launch your business, you already have an audience paying attention to what you're doing and primed to buy. Now, if you're saying, "Yes, this is exactly what I need to do," and you're ready to dive in and start making it happen, I want to invite you to come to my free upcoming live workshop where I'll teach you the simple business launch method so that you can easily launch or relaunch your business in a simple and strategic way with a brand and website that makes an authentic connection with your dream clients. Head over to dowellwebsites.com/workshop to sign up. And if you haven't subscribed, click subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Now let's go get them.